Shauna Hester.
Annie Gogay.
Hey, and I'm Dondre Benton.
Hardware component that gives the computer power to operate. And it goes here in the computer. These are the cords that connect to the motherboard. This is the motherboard, the circuit board containing principal computer components that makes the whole computer operate.
This is a optical drive. It is a computer system that allows us to use DVDs and CDs. It has a strong storage capacity. It contains lenses that project electromagnetic waves that reads the disc and the CD. This is RAM, random access memory. It does not store information permanently. It works in conjunction with the CPU. The CPU receives data from the RAM.
This is the heat sink fan. The heat sink fan is used to pull heat from the CPU, allowing the heat to transfer through this fan to cool it off. This is the hard drive, a high-capacity storage device which stores all data, operating systems, and personal software. This is the SATA cable, which is used to connect the host bus adapter to the mass storage device